I just got back in from work, I've just driven home and pulled down the drive of the barn house hunting in the backfield here. It's the same owl as in, I think it is anyway. It looks like the same owl from last year's video. Well, the same one I see regularly hunting up and down, but looks like it's been in a bit of an accident. It's got an eye. I don't know if it's missing an eye or if it's just got one eye constantly closed. And a couple of its flight feathers are just hanging out off. Anyway, it's doing its thing, hunting around. It's just dipped over the hedge at the minute, which is why I'm chatting. I don't know if it's just at the other side of that field or if it... Oh, there it is. It's coming back. I mean, I haven't seen it catch anything yet, but it seems to be hunting okay. Sorry for the crunching, I'm eating a Weber's original. Yummy. Oh my God, I don't think I can turn you around, but he's just caught something right in front of us. Oh, it's eating. Oh, it's scoffing it. Nice. What's wrong with your eye, mate? Oh, it looks to have lost it. Dickhead. He just caught something, landed 20 foot in front of us. I thought we were filming it, I don't think I was. What an idiot. Unfortunately, he clocked us then, now he's gone. And that's because I'm struggling to get anything in focus for some reason on this. Don't know why that is. Anyway, I'll give him a few more minutes, see if he comes back. I think I've done that thing that I keep doing where I want to I'm videoing it and I want to take a photograph and I press the shutter button and stop recording. It literally just ate a vole there in front of me, and then here it's back, and then yeah, literally just scoffed that vole and then flew up straight towards us, and I wasn't even filming. Anyway, we'll film it for you now because it's on its way back down the field. It's been a lovely spring day today. It was freezing yet, well it's freezing today, it's freezing again now. But it was freezing yesterday. But today there's been no wind. It's been gorgeous. Well, I don't know what's wrong with its eye, but it doesn't seem to be causing it any problem. Right, I'm going in now. I haven't seen it for 5 minutes, disappeared over the other side of the road. He may well come back, but I haven't been in the house yet. I've literally just got back from work and I want a cup of tea, and it's getting a bit chilly now. It's the last day of February today, and now that sun's dipped. It's been a gorgeous day, but now that sun's gone in. It's getting a bit nippy. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and then we'll see you next time.